Okay guys, so here's the rain right now. It's crazy guys. Yeah guys, crazy rain right now. Yeah guys, crazy thunder. This is storm right now. I heard some thunder a few minutes. I am hearing thunder guys. Yeah guys, also guys, this will continue on in. See guys, you guys probably heard that thunder just now, maybe, I don't know. Yeah guys, but well, this might continue for like about a while. Yeah guys, but I don't even know into when. So yeah guys. So here is heavy rain right now. So yeah guys. Yeah guys. So yeah guys, yep. Yeah guys, just crazy rain right now. Oh! Did you guys just hear that? Well, probably guys, yeah. Yeah guys, we're on a track. Well, this is storm guys. So guys, well, there might be updates coming later on. Yeah guys, there might be more updates coming on soon. Yeah guys, bounce is crazy. Thunder storm at my house right now. Yeah guys, crazy thunder right now. Yeah guys, crazy thunder going on right now. Yeah guys, I was in the middle of playing with my Nintendo Switch. Yeah, I heard thunder then, I was like, time to make a weather update. So yeah guys, yep, and that is what I'm doing right now. Yeah guys, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah guys, okay guys, well I'm probably gonna end it now here guys. Yeah guys, but there's so much heavy rain. So yeah guys, so much heavy rain right now at my house. So yeah guys, and also guys, I might be back in a bit guys. Yeah guys, in case if it gets worse or not. Yeah guys, well this rain is heavy. Yeah, it might get heavier soon. Yeah guys, so what do you guys saw? So yeah guys, okay guys, well I'm gonna end it here. I might make another update later if anything comes down or not. So yeah guys, so now bye bye.